Alright, I got to thinking the furnace seems to work with the cover off just fine, but when the cover's on, the blower only runs for that initial troubleshooting or diagnostic step. So we're going to try it again with the cover on. And right now the vent covers are on both of the vents. Okay, so it shuts off with the cover on and the vent covers on. If we take the vent covers off, and we turn it back on again, there it fired right up. So that tells me there's some sort of a pressure switch on the blower motor that's either sensing too high a back pressure or not enough flow when the vent covers are on, and when the cover of the furnace is off it works fine because there's no resistance. Not sure why it only does it intermittently when it's cold or when we're at higher altitudes, but that seems to be the fix, so I'm guessing it's some sort of a pressure switch.